Hey everyone, this is Chris over at Acevacuums, your one-stop shop for all of your Dyson needs. We get a lot of calls from customers in the Lansdowne, Virginia area about what type of vacuums do we repair? Do we work on Dysons? Do we repair them? Do we clean them? Do we service them? The answers to all those questions is yes. We do Dyson repair as well as Dyson servicing here at our locations in Northern Virginia, as well as Maryland and the surrounding areas in DC. We are a quick 10-minute drive from the Lansdowne Town Center to our store. We have very easy and convenient parking. We are right off the main road, so it's very easy to find us. We do everything Dyson repair. It doesn't matter if you have a Dyson canister, a Dyson upright, a Dyson fan, as well as some Dyson appliances, and even all the cordless vacuums from the V6 all the way up to the brand new Dyson V15s. A lot of the common repairs that we get for Dyson are battery issues. Those are really the biggest issue that we see with Dysons. Either the battery's not staying charged, it won't charge, or it won't turn on. These are all pretty much common issues with the battery, which we do get in a lot. A lot of the time it's a same-day repair. We do keep these in stock just for that reason. But if you are looking for a same-day repair, bring it to us, let us know, and we can probably accommodate you that same day. A lot of other issues that we see is loss of suction, or no suction at all. Maybe sometimes we get people coming in for bad odors coming from the vacuum, the roller won't spin, different things like that. So these are all very common and easy fixes that we can do here on site. All of our repairs don't get sent off. They are fixed here on site at our location by an authorized technician. There is no appointment necessary. So basically we are open 7 days a week. You could stop in anytime during our working hours and drop off your vacuum for repair. We will give you a claim check ticket, and the technician will then take a look at the vacuum, give us the estimate as to what he thinks is wrong with it. And once we get the estimate from our technician, we'll call you with the estimate, and once you approve, we'll get all the work done or order the parts needed to get all the work done. And then upon completion, we will call you or text you and let you know that it's ready for pickup. Like I said, we do everything with Dyson repairs. And then if you're looking to just have your Dyson clean, so if you haven't got those filters replaced in the last 12 months, if it has a funny smell to it, if it smells like animal, bring it to us. We can service and clean your vacuum totally, no problem at all. We do recommend those servicing and maintenance in your vacuum regularly. It helps the longevity and reliability and the performance of the vacuum. And we know that these Dysons aren't cheap, so protecting your investment is something that we are here to help you with and do. All of our estimates for our repairs are totally free, no obligation estimates. So if you bring it in, you just want to know what's going on with it to see what it would cost, whether it's going to make sense to buy a new one or replace it and fix this one, definitely bring it into us. We can help accommodate that. Our phone number is 703-997-9292. So if you're looking for a repair in Lansdowne, Virginia, please come see us first here at Ace Vacuums, and we'll take care of your Dyson and get you back up and running. If you have any other questions, stop in or like us or check us out on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. Thank you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video, and come see us. Have a good one.